everyone! Thanks for joining me today and for supporting my soaping channel. Today I am going to make tea tree, charcoal, and lavender soap. So let's get started. First, I'm gonna mix all the oils together. This is my base oil. It's made of grapeseed, olive oil, organic coconut oil, shea butter, and castor oil. So I'm gonna blend this all together, and then I will add my coconut milk. Okay. Coconut milk is so good on the skin. And then I will add a little collen clay. 1 tablespoon. Okay. I have to put this here. Okay. See it? Now I will blend this in before I will add my lye solution. This closer together. Okay, there. So I'm gonna stick blend this, and then I will add now the lye solution. Okay, sorry for that. Then let's blend this in, stick blend until I will get the light to medium trace. Until all the oils and the lye are completely blended. Now I will add my shea butter. I will only have 2 colors, the activated charcoal and titanium dioxide, for a little add more beauty on the soap. I want this soap black and white, but the base mostly black, which is the activated charcoal. Now I will add my tea tree from Brambleberry, Tea Tree Essential oil, I'm gonna blend in some titanium dioxide, we have now a light trace. I will get some portion of this base oil, my mixture for the white. And all this will be activated charcoal. This is my activated charcoal from Crafter's Choice. So this is natural activated charcoal. But before that, I will blend first this white so it will not be okay. For the white, I want to put some lavender essential oil for this. Okay. Wow, it's so calming scent. Lavender is so calming. Wow, it's beautiful. Okay, let's set that aside. Now I will work on the black, the charcoal, activated charcoal. I think I will add more. Okay. I think I need more. It's not, I like more, a little darker. Okay. Okay. Okay, very thick now. Then I will pour this in my soap mold. Okay. You see that? Okay. Okay, get all this beautiful soap. Tea Tree Essential Oil is antibacterial. It has these properties, which is antibacterial. Okay, next, mix in. Oops. Now I would have this chopstick design. Sorry for my dog. Sorry for the barking. Okay, and this will be the top. Danny, stop that. Sorry for my dog. This will be beautiful. That's the soap. Thank you for watching, and see you for the cutting. Bye!